All right, today I'm going to draw the Hunter Supreme Supreme by Bread Emperor. This is basically a meme sandwich is the best way I can put it. I'm just going to start with the buns. This is by far the easiest part to start with. It looks like we got a pizza over here. We got a jar of peanut butter. We have my face right there. There's as good as you're going to get. We have an onion. We have Donald Trump on this sandwich. Wow. We have Chewbacca. We have Pog Face. There's some eyes. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do all of this in 60 seconds. There's a waffle. Yeah, so this right here is basically what I was supposed to draw. The big old meme sandwich. We can do a close-up there so you can kind of see it. And you got pizza, peanut butter, me, cheese, an office chair, a tater. There's a creeper. I didn't even see the creeper. I thought that was cabbage or something. Looks like a strawberry, a goat, sheep, onion, waffle. There's animated me, there's cartoon me, there's troll face, tank man, there's pog face right next to Donald Trump's ear. Is that bologna or Thomas I don't know. There's pepperoni back there. Looks like an automaton, and oh, that's not Chewbacca. That's an emoji suit, and he's holding a bat. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on being amazing. I'll see you in the next one.